Welcome to my channel Luxury Point. Today we take a closer look at 2026 Mazda CX-20. The 2026 Mazda CX-20 is set to become Mazda's newest small crossover, stepping in as a modern replacement for the outgoing CX-3. It's designed to bring together style, practicality, and electrification, while keeping the sporty spirit Mazda is known for. Friends, before dive into the 2026 Mazda CX-20, please subscribe my YouTube channel for more automobile reviews. The CX-20 is expected to be powered by efficient 1.5 and 2.0-liter gasoline engines paired with Mazda's mild hybrid system, delivering smoother acceleration, better efficiency, and reduced emissions. Reports also suggest the possibility of a rotary-based range extender hybrid, offering a unique mix of innovation and driving flexibility. Front-wheel drive will be standard, while higher trims may come with all-wheel drive for added stability. The exterior design follows Mazda's latest Kodo design language with a sleek, coupe-like silhouette, a bold front grille, and slim LED headlights accented by vertically stacked daytime running lights. Sculpted lines, circular tail lights, and optional two-tone finishes give it a youthful and upscale look that stands out in the compact SUV category. Dear friends, inside, the cabin is expected to feature a clean, driver-focused layout with upgraded materials, more space than the CX-3. And a technology suite that includes a digital dashboard and an advanced infotainment system. Mazda is likely to maintain its premium feel while adding more comfort for passengers and practicality for everyday use. Fuel efficiency is a key highlight, thanks to the integration of mild hybrid technology. Drivers can expect improved mileage compared to the CX-3, especially in urban environments, while also benefiting from smoother stop-start driving and lower emissions. While official pricing hasn't been revealed, production in Thailand is expected to keep the CX-20 competitively priced within the subcompact crossover segment. The aim is to offer premium Mazda quality at an accessible entry point, making it an appealing option for young professionals, small families, and city drivers. Overall, the 2026 Mazda CX-20 combines dynamic styling, electrified performance, and thoughtful interior upgrades into a well-balanced package. It captures Mazda's signature blend of driving excitement and sophistication while stepping firmly into the future of efficient mobility.